This is Johnny with Earmark. I've got a 2024 Ford Raptor R that we've added the Igla PIN code system. I'm going to show you how this one works. Now that we're inside, I've got the key fob right here. I'm going to go ahead and start the truck. Notice as soon as I put the truck in gear, puts itself in park and shuts the truck down. I'm going to go ahead and restart it. Enter our temporary PIN code, which is Z plus 4 times. 2 indications. Now when I put the truck in gear, it's operational. It only takes 3 seconds for the system to automatically rearm. Restart it, put the truck in gear, protects the truck, puts it back in park. Again, enter our PIN code here. Here are 2 indications. Put it in gear and drive right off. If you have any questions about how we can protect your brand new Ford Raptor R, or any Ford in general, or any vehicle in general, give us a call or text 972-612-6886.